Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to update LiveChat. So to start, go to your phone App Store or Play Store, then click the search bar and search for LiveChat. So click on the second one, and in here you should see an update button. So just click on that and LiveChat will be updated instantly. For the next method, press and hold LiveChat app and tap on remove app and tap on delete app. Then confirm the action. So once deleted, you can then go ahead and install the app again. So once uninstalled, go to App Store and click the cloud icon again to install LiveChat. And that way it will be installed to its latest version. So once installed, you can open it and log in. So once log in, you will be now or you are now using the latest version of LiveChat. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.